a simple circuit, primarily used AND gates and RF NOR latches. The actual circuit itself, not too impressive. Press a button and redstone torch will light up. Flick the lever, all of them will light up, and then when you flick it back to the normal, you'll get what you had before, and it saves that. And if you press this button, it'll erase the memory, and you'll start with that again, and then flicking this will just turn them all on, and then this is your save here. I mean, you could hide these and have this, and then have like a secret combination that you need to use of ons and off, so you can for a password or something. You can easily extend this. It's just 3 is a good number to start with. Let's go with it. Reset that, and let's turn that off. First I'll talk you through the circuitry, and then I will go and we'll make it. Looks complicated, huh? Yeah. Firstly, it comes up with 3 AND gates. So this is an AND gate. See how it works? If this is powered and none of these are powered, then this will be powered. The left of signal of all the AND gates are being powered by the switch. So if the switch is on, you can change it. And the right is being powered by its button. That's how it goes on. Then you go on to the RS NOR latches. This is my RS NOR latch because it's just a 3x3, a lot smaller than the normal one. I probably could make it even smaller, but I think, yeah, maybe. Let me just try this. No, it wouldn't work because you have to have that. Ooh, actually, that's how you make a really small RS NOR latch, and then you can't. Yeah, you can't do it that way because then it would be very difficult to put an input in. You'd have to actually go directly to the block with the input. 3x3 one's a little bit simpler, but still quite compact. My version here. This output is an RS NOR latch. Even if you flip it on for a second and take it off, it will stay as what you had it at last. And so this is a memory cell, and the other side is this is the reset bit. But so if this is activated, if this is not activated, then this won't be powered, and the thing will, and the button will be powered. But if it's not activated from the reset, then it will be, the block will be powered, and that won't be powered. So it will be all that powered. And the other one, this is just the lever again. So the lever does it here. So that's very simple. I'm going to come back to you in my different world, because this isn't my other world. This is my special redstoning for fun world. Ha. I wonder what that looks like. This is my just random redstoning world. I'll come back in my blue stick factory world, and we will try and make it there. Hello, and okay, we're gonna make it here. The first thing is just create a wall. It needs to be about 6 high, and it needs to be there's 5 inputs, so it needs to be 11 long. But I'm not going to do an exact look how we got it. That should be long enough. Let's hope. Now, on the first 3 bits on the right, you'll need to put a block. Oh, you guys see? You'll need to put a block there, and this is where the torches will go. There, and there. break the actual blocks. There, there, and there. Put buttons in. I can spam my buttons. For this one, yeah, I'll use diff. No, I won't. Just to keep in good practice, I will use coloring. I will color code my redstone. Oh, I have one extra. Oh no, exact. Yeah, good. Okay. Now the first thing we need to do is just get all the outputs correct. You want output there, output there. Go away, sheep. Sheep. Here we go. Outputs. This is your reset output, so you want to just take this and just run with it, like over here. That will be used later. This is your. This one gets everywhere, so that will be annoying. Now these three, I would say, if you want to make it a little bit more easy to look at, take it away, and then this one just goes to the right. Yes, there's tons of ways to make it a lot more compact, but I'm not going to go through that today. I'm just showing you redstone just so you can see how it all works. This one goes about there, and again off to the left. Okay, now the first thing we do is to make it so these buttons will only work when the lever is switched. So, actually I could do the first one here. Now, I really should not do redstone wire first. It's you want to do your gates first. Okay. Oh, it's so far apart. Actually, yeah. Well, okay. This one is pink. Okay. And then that needs to go to the lever. This one needs to go to the lever too. This one's orange. But I need to make it look like it's a lever. Oops. That wasn't supposed to happen. Yeah. Okay. We can just pull the lever around. I'm so tempted to start singing some connection song, but I really can't. Yep, that one's right, and then we need another colour. I will just, yeah, black. Pink, red, and black. And, again, I should have done gates first, then redstone. There we go. Right, going to move that round a bit. I think, yeah, move it around one more. So then the reason I'm moving this around is so I can get this cable here to go over it, and I need to use my base block, which, as it normally is, my base block is sandstone, just because it looks nice. loud sounds coming from other people. Here we go. God, that noise doesn't stop, so I'm gonna shout. Okay, so this is from the piston wire, not piston, the lever wire that turns off and on. Now, those three are all done, and if the piston is done, it'll turn off those three torches, and whenever you press a button, it'll give it power. I just realised how horribly that was done, so that's not going to work. Problem, don't have enough inventory space. Damn it. Ah, I can switch that. Yeah, that needs to be moved. The reason it needs to be moved is because we've got the other wire coming out of this one. So yeah, as we've got the other wire coming out of this AND gate, we can't have it interfering with that AND gate, and it turns out that I think I'm going to have to use a bridge, which will be annoying. I'll just carry this bridge on. So once you need to fit up, so you fit up all the AND gates, and then you're going to make some RS NOR latches. These for the purpose of the memory. So even when you turn the circuit off from the main switch, the RS NOR latch will stay as it is before, because they just always do unless you change them. And yeah, that's also what the reset button is going to go to. I'm not sure. Oh, that look. Oh, it's gone horribly wrong there. The reset button also goes to the other side of the RS NOR latch, just so it resets all the latches. Yeah, that's better. It was a little bit too going together. Sorry about the little skip. My computer died slightly for some reason. Yeah, so we've got that going together, not going together. Now, have I got all the others connected up? Yep, they're all connected up. Now we are going to make the RS NOR, which are quite nice. I like them. I think they're a cute design. And they work a little something like this. They look a little something like this. And that's wrong, because it's meant to be in pink. Yep, that's all meant to be in pink. Pink always works when you're trying to do redstone. And then you put the other one there. There we go. Yeah, and then this one goes on to another AND gate. So the purpose of this AND gate is that because this will stay on even if so this RS NOR latch will stay on the same position even when that AND gate turns off. But when this goes, but then when it turns on this here, we need it to turn on. Yeah, we need it to turn on directly from that. When you turn it on there, my words have just got all mixed up now. But it seems that I can just take it from there. That's good. So it's always nice when you can take your one piece of redstone in from somewhere else. Now here we've got another and no. Here we've got to do an RS NOR latch. So RS NOR latch. Damn, you're redstone. There we go. No, that's not what we want. Oh. No. I was thinking what would happen if I did that. Yeah, burn it out. Thought as much. Oh, another thing I've worked out, they don't actually burn out as much. I don't think they burn out as much if you take it as from here. It probably will burn out. Yeah, but my circuits were just burning out normally, and they don't burn out as much when they're on top of a block, just like that. When they're on the side of a block, they burn out a little bit more for some reason. It's not to my knowledge. I don't know. Could be that it's just adapted slightly from the one on top and doesn't work as well. Yeah, you've got to put another piece, another AND gate. That's right, that's it, an AND gate. So, same reason I said before. Which I'm still trying to convince myself that it's necessary. I'm pretty sure it is. Yeah, it is, but I can't explain it, which is really annoying. That's a good point. You should always know why you're redstoning something like you are. I mean, I think it's okay because I've redstoned it myself, and it's all my idea, but I'm still like, I have no idea. Okay. It doesn't matter, guys, from there. If that's turned on, that will be turned on. Now we need to put a Latch in again. Another Snorlax. Damn you, Snorlax, you're getting so much in my redstone. It doesn't seem right. Because it isn't. Here we go. No, I shouldn't have done that. Or that. Come on, do this right. There we go. Okay, got the last RS Snorlax. Hook that up. There we go, and on to another AND gate. I can just chuck it here. Can I? Yeah. I'll have to do another bridge though, which I hate. Damn new bridges. Ah, come on. Now the really annoying thing is putting the reset switch in, which has to go on this side everywhere. But it can go on the outside, like an outside ring. Because it probably is. On the middle one, you probably have to go a little bit underground, because it did in the last one, I'm not so sure. Okay, where's my closest one? My closest switch here, I think, is the best. I'll take it from here. Yeah. Makes sense. Makes enough sense to me. Will that activate it from the piston? From the... Damn! Will that activate it from the torch? Yeah, I want that there. That there. Yeah, that's it. Now, these need to be connected up to those. Which I'm not going to do yet, because that's not what I want to do yet. I'll just go through what's happening here first. If I can fly. I wonder what super flat would be like if it was on survival. Because it doesn't, you can't really get materials because it's only 5 blocks deep. And there are trees, but like they're very scarce. And there's no water. I think super flat is really only used for what I'm doing. Oh, come on! I'm lagging so much, probably through recording. If you fall, you can fly quite easily. That's fine. Oh. I find it, but it's not happening today. Okay, I'll just walk through and explain it to you. Stop you having trouble of watching me just trying to jump all the time. Okay, let's go with the red one. So this button, this is coming from the button that activates the middle torch, and that is coming from the lever wire. So when the lever's on, that will turn off, and then when you flick the switch, that will momentarily turn this arsenal latch, so it'll be on, and it will turn, so this won't be powered, and this only works when the lever is activated, so, but that still will be off. Now, the reason I need another lever here is that, so when the lever is activated, it will turn that off if that side's off, but if it's not, it will just leave it, because if that side's on, then it will just turn this side on, off. So if that side's on, and this will just turn off, but not change that. If that side's off, this will turn off, and this will turn powered, which will turn that switch torch off. Oh, that's difficult to explain. So, now we need to put a reset switch in, so they all turn back to unpowered when I say. Reset switch, when you're doing a reset switch, you want to put, when you'll get anything, or any switches that go through a lot of bits, connect up to an arsenal latch, you want to put a repeater directly for it, because repeaters change currents. So a current can't go backwards through a repeater, therefore it won't change any of the other arsenal latches from that one. They're all independent, apart from this set of redstone here, which turns them on and off. If I give it a fairly wide berth, just because we're going to have a little bit of going up, I may even do some towering. Oh, come on. There we go. Nice flows. I'll take this round to the far one, and then I can just hook up the middle one from those. What is it with me and my redstone walking today? I've missed out another block. I think. Did I? Turns out I didn't, or maybe I fixed it up. Yeah, that will work. It's pretty much the same bit. Doesn't make much of a difference. But I will need to put lots of repeaters in. So I'll probably go and change it from a button to like a redstone torch or a lever for a little bit. Just to know where I need to put the redstone torches, the whatever they're called, in. I can't be bothered to do. There's a thing you can do, but I can't be bothered to think of it. Just do that. There we go. a redstone repeater there, just to make sure the current doesn't go carry from there to over here. And I'll need a redstone repeater in there anyway, sooner or later. Let me put a torch. No. I think I want to. Yeah, do this. No, that. Oh, come on. There we go. Delete that redstone because I forgot the rule about gate before redstone. Oh, what is happening with my redstoning today? I'm just lagging so much. I'm not going to put them there, just because they actually do slow the circuit down a tad. The more you have, that's why it is better to have it compact, because it goes very slightly faster. Not much, only a few ticks. But I'm not going to be bothered about that much. There you go. That's all connected up. Now I need to turn that off and make sure my turn on and off switch works. Now this is, yeah, this switch literally just turns the whole circuit on and off. Makes everything work. So the purpose of this purpose there, I'll put one in there just to get it all the way there. Turn both of those off. Oh, which turns that one on. Why is that one on and not the others aren't? Oh, they all are, because I've reset it. And once it's, yeah, my mind's just not following with this today, which it really should, because it's all my redstoning. Okay, now that's done, you'll need to just tower these up, basically, which you do by placing one there, two of the wool, or one piece of wool. Oh, come on. I need to fly to this bit. Come on. Maybe if I turn this on. Oh, come on. That's just being annoying. There we go. This is just a basic torch tower. You want it to not go up that high, so... But it's quite good because it only goes up one block, and then to make it an extra one high, you put block there, and a block there, and then that powers that, and that block actually. And then I'll just take this piece of redstone, this can I do that? Here we go. Come on. So annoying. You'll probably do this a lot better than I will if you have a faster computer. My computer's just going, no, I'm not doing it. Can't. Sorry. Computer's being an arse. Yeah. Do that. These will definitely need some repeaters. Come on! Ah! Fudge. There we go. No, I've got it powered. I might as well see where I need a repeater. If I do need a repeater. Oh yeah, I do. Just chuck one there, I'll solve it. And as you can see, this torch will have been not lit. The other two are still lit, as I need to make those little roads for them, torches. Once, this is a very simple bit of redstone. Once you've wired all of that up, you've pretty much done it all. This has been a little explanation of. I'll show you again how it functions later. This circuit is really just focusing on AND gates and arsenal latches, as most of my circuits do. But I will have a circuit for each gate. So we have circuits that have lots of NOR gates in them, or well, we'll have a NOR gate, or other gates, which I can't remember. I've got all the names in one of my videos. Just look for it there. But yeah, we will have a video with focusing on a gate each. So that will be fun. That will probably consist of the redstone for newbies, and then I will just start doing my own projects, which I will show you one of my projects that I'm doing actually quite recently. A little snippet of. I'm still doing some of the really starter wiring up. But I will show you that probably in my next video will be on that, which will be on my new playlist redstone. Haha, my mind's gone blank. Ooh, that shouldn't happen. My new playlist, which I'm gonna make, is redstone projects, and then there'll also be redstone tutorials where I'll make redstone things and show you how to make them. I have been showing you how to make these ones, but that's just because it's showing you how to use AND gates and NOR gates and that kind of stuff. Just gates, really. Tinkle time! Yeah, this is always really boring, but I've got nothing to say, because I don't have anything to say. There's nothing to say. I've just got to finish up wiring this, and really fail. Annoying. Come on, work! There we go. This is actually only I think it's a 3-bit memory. Oh look, I think it might be even quite new. I'll give it a name. A 3-bit memory on-off. It's a 3-bit memory with on-off switch and resets, pretty much. That's how you name things. It's just, I mean, some people like name their contraptions a bat cave or something, or like really thing, but normally you name them about what they do using redstone language. So like so you could have a I don't know anymore. A piston farmer, or a memory something. Mine's gone blank. Usually you actually have the words of the gates you used. that's quite common in naming your redstone. I'm not going to do a whole video on naming your redstone, but I do need to get up there and solve that, because there's a piece of redstone missing. So it was going to not work, and that would be very, very bad. And I'm going to have to get up there again, just so I can put the redstone wiring in, won't I? But luckily for me, I've very nearly finished with all of those. Where is this one? This is, yeah, it's here. It looks like there should be more, because that one's actually quite far out. Well, not that far out, but it's further out. Ah, come on. I'll just jump up there. I normally can fly just easily, but redstone and my computer's lagging is not a good combination. Well, redstone and recording, not a good combination for my computer. There we go. So, we've got another redstone torch tower. It's pretty much as with normally redstoning, it's the same thing over and over again, but using different inputs and similar inputs. So, as mine has done, it's used different and the same inputs, if you get what I mean. It's used the 3 buttons, but then it's also got the reset button and the turn on off switch. And I'm probably going to have to finish this quite quickly before my mind just dies, which it will. But if I can show you how it works now, reset them, all of them turned off, and the lever is on, so it will work. Turn that one on. If I switch this, they're all turned on. Spam that, turn that on. But when I switch it back, only that one's turned on, and I can turn that on. If I turn it off, spam these. That would make a difference. That would make a difference. That would make a difference. Well, actually, both of those last two will make a difference. I've just realised something that I could do to make this a little bit better, but when I turn it back, it still only has those two activated. I'm just going to do a little extra something, just to make this a little bit better, I think. If I put another AND gate here, the reset button will only work when it's turned on, which I think is quite good. AND gates like that. Break it there. Put some redstone there. There. Let's just add another AND gate into that. Now I can even. It's got my combination in it. If I turn it off, if I click the reset button, it will reset all of them, and I'll just turn it on to 100. If I turn it off, I can even spam the reset button. I can get it. But that won't do anything until I turn it back on, and then if I turn it back on, it still will have before. So that's not not like a brilliant, really useful piece of kit that you'll like use, but it's just explaining about the use of AND gates and something latches, RS latches, I think. I don't know, can't remember. But there you go, that's a little bit of RS latches, I think, and AND gates.